I know lots of people with big plans for their lives. Big plans, big goals, big dreams, and that's all pretty natural. As achievers, we're always pushing the envelope and looking to create more. You know what's not so common though? Thinking smaller. Thinking about this second, right now. Living in the present. The fact that we're evolved for survival and reproduction drives our thoughts to the future naturally, so that thoughts about the future inflame hope and fear. Also, the future is unknown to us, so when we think about it, we're actually thinking of unrealities. Much more than the past or the present, the future is the root of all vice states. Gratitude looks to the past, love to the present, but fear, greed, envy, anxiety, they all look ahead. Yes, it's helpful to plan for the future from time to time, but only as much as necessary. Over-planning is just as harmful as living irresponsibly without any plans at all. Now, imagine a person who's worked all day in flow and for his family. Then he lets go of the pressures of the work when he's done, and he returns immediately to the gratitude or to the present enjoyment of the moment that's passing over him. That's an ideal state. Instead of a man stressed by the future, dependent for his happiness on the success or failure of schemes whose end he probably will not live to see. Most people live their whole lives perpetually in pursuit of the rainbow's end. Never brave, nor kind, nor happy now, but always putting off into the future all the gratitude, appreciation, or enjoyment offered them in the present. One last warning about the phrase living in the present though. It's all good unless the person's untroubled about the future, not because he's immersed in the present, but because he's persuaded himself that the future is going to be all positive. As long as that's the real reason for his tranquility, he's still fucked, because it's only going to pile up more disappointment and thus more anxiety for him when his false hopes are dashed. If, however, you are aware that tough challenges, pitfalls, and losses may be in store for you, and you're training now to do your best, come what may, and meanwhile living as much as you can in the present, because here and here alone, all pleasure, all grace, all joy, and all love dwell, well then, you'll have the greatest gift in life, my friend.